Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Cynthia Maynard and I have an oil pastel painting for you today. Here's a little blurb of some of my other ones. So if you like to hit subscribe button, like and share if you love oil pastels and drawing and other media as well, and even some cooking in there. So this is what we're making today, sort of an old school beehive from back in the day, nestled in this gardeny type situation. I've got my Dilutions square art journal. That is this nice thick black paper. I've got some rather ugly washi tape I'm trying to use up. I guess I didn't think about it just till now. How it's black and yellow like the bees. That's kind of funny. Subconscious choice of washi there. But just going straight in with the oil pastels. When you use an art journal like this, you can simply put some glycine or glycine. Not glycine. What am I saying? Glycine. You know what I'm talking about. Or wax paper or parchment. Something in between. I don't know. The brain stopped. Anyway, so just going in with the oil pastels, I've got my Art Echoes, my Paul Rubens, my Mungio Gallery, my Senneliers, all on my table there. So I'm just grabbing what colors I feel like. Each set has like its strengths and weaknesses in terms of colors, especially when it comes to greens and browns, which is something I use a lot of, and pastel colors. So the Art Echo set, which is fluctuates around the $40 mark. You get quite a few. I want to say it's 120, but it's definitely over 70 oil pastels, and they have beautiful, beautiful pastel light ones, which it can be harder to find the light colored ones. But yeah, they're great. Great price. So it's there's the Mungio Gallery, of course. You can get a great deal on those, and the Paul Rubens. So I would say if you're just starting out and you want to grab some to try, maybe go for the Mungio and see how you like them. Maybe a smaller set because you're really not going to be out much money and they're going to last you a long time. Mungio is a great company. And yeah, so I'm going in just layering all this up. I will leave links down below and you can check those out to the to my blog and so forth. And like I said, if you could like, share, and subscribe, that would be a huge help to my channel. I think the ever-changing analytics is quite the thing here to keep up with. I just want to paint. But it is what it is. But interact, guys. But anyways, I hope you had a great Christmas. By the time this comes out, it'll probably be a couple of months hence. But anyways, stay warm. Check out the bees. I'm going to put some music on and you can enjoy watching the layering up of these wildflowers. Thanks so much. Have a great day.